Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
Okay, so we're looking at two super-automatic espresso machines, both renewed, the Philips 3200 series and the Jura S8. Big price difference right off the bat, huh?
Yeah, the Philips is around $600, while the Jura is pushing $1,500. So, what are we getting for that extra cash?
Well, the Philips boasts 5 coffee varieties, including iced coffee, which is pretty cool. And it's got this LatteGo system for milk frothing. What about the Jura?
The Jura S8 offers 15 specialties. It's got a 4.3-inch touchscreen, which sounds fancy. And they're really pushing their Aroma G3 grinder as being super precise and fast.
A touchscreen, huh? The Philips just has buttons. The Philips uses ceramic grinders, which they say are good for 20,000 cups. Do we know what the Jura grinder is made of?
It doesn't specify the material, just emphasizes the speed and precision of the Aroma G3. It also mentions a pulse extraction process, PEP, for optimal extraction of espressos and ristrettos. That sounds pretty technical.
Technical and maybe marketing why? The Philips has an aroma extract system that regulates water temperature and flow. It's all about getting the right balance, apparently.
So both are trying to optimize flavor. The Jura highlights its fine foam frother specifically for milk-based drinks. Does the Philips do a good job with milk?
They claim the LatteGo system creates silky smooth milk froth using cyclonic frothing. User reviews for the Philips mention it's easy to clean, which is a big plus for me.
Good point. The Jura doesn't really highlight cleaning ease. It does have automatic filter detection, which is a nice convenience.
Dimensions-wise, they're fairly similar. The Philips is a bit lighter at 21.6 pounds compared to the Jura's 22.1 pounds. And the Philips has better customer ratings, 4.1 versus 3.4.
That rating difference is significant. Given the huge price disparity and the comparable features, plus the better ratings, the Philips seems like the better value, especially if you're okay with fewer drink options and a button interface.
Yeah, unless you really need those extra 10 drink options and absolutely must have a touchscreen, the Philips seems like a solid choice. And let's be real, iced coffee in the summer sounds pretty amazing. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.